So let's start today's class. Today we will continue the exercise 3.7, the last exercise of this chapter, from the question number 10. So let's start. The question number 10 is, find the LCM of the following numbers. Here are given two numbers and we have to find the LCM. The first point A, 9 and 4. And also after finding the LCM, observe a common property in the obtained LCMs. Each LCM the product of two numbers in each case. So after finding the LCM, we need to observe is there any other property? Is the LCM of the product of two numbers? So we will see after finding the LCM. First find the LCM. 9 and 4. Divide by 2. 9 to 2 is 4. Again divide by 2. 9 to 2 is 1. Next we will divide by the next number 3. 3 3 is 9. 1 again 3 1 and 1. So LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 2 is 18. 18 2 is 36. So 36 is the LCM of 9 and 4. This is complete. Now we have to find is there any other property, a common property. Is 36 is a product of 9 and 4. Is it correct or not? Please comment. Once again listen. Is 36 is a product or multiply of 9 and 4. Please reply. Please reply all of you students giving response. Yes, this is correct because 9 4 is 36 and 4 9 is 36. So in this point, in this case, 36, the LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to the product of these two numbers, 9 and 4. Okay, so our answer is yes. Yes, LCM is the product of 9 and 4. Yes, LCM is the product of 9 and 4. Second, we have to check this common property in each and every point. This is the one point. The next point is why in this point LCM is the product of these two numbers. Because sometimes it doesn't happen in each and every point. So इस पॉइंट में ऐसा क्या खास है कि LCM उन दोनों नंबर्स के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल है. Can anybody find why this has happened? Why LCM is the product of 9 and 4? What is the reason? I am asking the reason. Anybody? Okay. Let's listen. Why LCM is equal to the product of numbers? First, identify these numbers. In previous class, they are co-prime numbers. About co-prime numbers, we studied in the previous class. Once again, recall if there is not any common factor except one, such numbers are called co-prime numbers. So 9 and 4 both are co-prime numbers, उनका कोई भी फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं है except 1. So that's why the LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to the product of these numbers. Okay. So next point B, the numbers are 12 and 5. Okay. So what is the use of this property? If we have given some numbers and if they are co-prime numbers. Okay. So by using this property, we can reply the LCM within some seconds. There is need not any calculation finding the LCM of this process. हम कुछ ही सेकंड में इसका आंसर बता सकते हैं कि LCM क्या होगा. So all of you reply the LCM of this point. Yeah, correct answer Anjali H. Very good. Hence they are also co-prime numbers 12 and 5. So LCM will be equal to the product of these numbers. So 12 5 is 16. So now we find the LCM within 5 seconds. Okay. Now we recheck the one answer. Is this correct or not? We find the LCM properly. Let's find out. 12 and 5 divided by 2, 6, 5, again 2, 3, 5, again 3, 3 1 3, 5, again 5, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 5 is 16, 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 32 is 60. Now in this point, the LCM is also the product of given two numbers. Our answer is yes. So this property is very useful in when some MCQ questions are given. We can mark the answer, reply the answer within some seconds only. Anjali, H, mute your mic. There is recording. Okay, so let's continue. So point number C. What are the numbers? 6 and 5. Okay, so please reply the LCM of 6 and 5. Yeah, correct answer, Krishna. Very good, Sneha, Anjali. Simply, we can find the answer within some seconds. 6 5 is 30. So LCM is the 30. Also, you will also find the LCM properly same as. Okay. Okay. So let's continue the next question. 11th question. Question number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. Second, what do you observe in the results obtained? So once again, here are given some pairs of numbers. In each and every point, you have to find the LCM. And one property is given that one number is the factor of the second number. That's one example. A. What are the numbers? 5 and 20. So find the LCM. 5 and 20. 5 and 20 divided by 2. 5, 10. Again divided by 2, 5 and 5. Divided by 5, 1 and 1. So LCM is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. So LCM is 5 to 20. So our LCM of these numbers is 20. Is there any आपको कुछ LCM में कुछ स्पेशल या विशेष लग रहा है? What do you observe in this LCM? Prateeksha XP, this is different question other than the previous. Okay, this is different. What do you observe in this LCM? Anybody? Observe meaning, can you identify, can you find the LCM in such point without finding the properly? Did anybody noted something? Now, let's see what is the common property. What is the common property? We know it's already given. One number is the factor of the second number. So 5 is the factor of 20. So in such type cases, the LCM is always will be the greater number. So we are seeing 20 is greater than 5. So 20 is also the LCM. Okay. So we can assume, we can predict about the LCM that LCM will be the greater number. But come when one number is the factor of the second number. Let's second point. The next point is 6 and 18. 6 and 18. Can anybody predict what will be the LCM of 6 and 18? Anybody? Yes, 18. Correct answer. Why is the 18 the LCM? And we find within some seconds because 6 is the factor of 18. In such type cases, the LCM will be the greater number. So LCM is the 18. We will check by finding properly. 6 and 18. First divide by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 9 is 18. Again divide by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 6 is 9. Again divide by 3. 1 and 1. So LCM is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. You see 9 to 18. So our answer is correct. 18 is the answer. So this is the second very useful property. If given two numbers and one number is the factor of the second number, then in such type of cases, the LCM will be the greater number. Okay. So what will be the final answer? What did we observe? We observe that LCM, you observe that greater number is the LCM in such type cases. This is our observation. Okay. So next point of this question is 12 and 48. C point 12 and 48. So anybody find out and reply what is the LCM of 12 and 48? Okay, very good. Also please reply your reason why the LCM is 48. Why the LCM is 48? Because 12 is the factor of 48. So LCM will be the greater number and 48 is the greater number. So LCM is the 14. So this was the last question for today's class. Sorry, for this chapter, for this exercise. Once again, if there are any doubt regarding this chapter, regarding this exercise, regarding prime number, composite number, LCM, SCF, divisibility rules, please ask me. Class is going on. Okay. If there are any doubt regarding this chapter, please ask. The third chapter is completed now. Yes, Stefan, ask the question. Only comment.
सर आपने वो 17
Okay. Anybody else? No. So we completed the third chapter. Okay, one doubt. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Krishna, listen. To check the divisibility of any number y11, please one by one listen. First, we will find the sum of the digits which lie on the even places and odd places. For example, we have to be check the divisibility of this number by 11. We can find the sum of the digits which lie on odd places. Odd places means first place, second place, and first place, third place, and the fifth place. So this is first place odd, this is third place odd, and this is fifth place odd. So we will find the sum of these numbers, and also we will find the sum of the digits which lie on the even places. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6. What is the second digit? This is fourth digit, and this is sixth digit. So after finding the sum, we will find the difference. So we will subtract the sum of the digits which lie on even places from the sum of the digits which lie on the odd places. If the difference is 0 or is a multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. If is there any other difference, the number will not be divisible by 11. You can also try by some examples. The next doubt is the divisibility rule of 9. Pratiksha, explain. Listen. The divisibility rule of 9 is very simple. Okay. We have to just, this is same to same as the divisibility rule of 3. We have to be just find the sum of the digits. if the sum is a multiple of 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If the sum is not a multiple of 9, so that's why the number will also not be divisible by the 9. Pratiksha, give any example? Which number we should check the divisibility by 9? Okay, I am patient. Okay, this is 171. We have to be checked this is divisible by 9 or not. Find the sum. 1 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 9. So sum is 9, which means the number is divisible by 9. You can also check this number 47446. Find the sum of 47476. I think the sum of this number, which Krishna replied, the sum is not multiple of 9. The next doubt, what is the perfect number? Okay, this is a very good question. Perfect number. What is the definition of perfect number? If the sum of the factors, if the sum of all the factors of a number is twice the number, then that number is called the perfect number. Some example, 6. What are the factor of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, final sum of these factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. What is the sum? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So 12 is the double of 6 or 12 is the twice of 6. So 6 is a perfect square number. Sorry, perfect number only. Pratiksha, 28 is not a multiple of 9. Okay? Can anybody reply the example of perfect number except 6? Does anybody know about perfect number? Anybody give an example? Yeah, maybe 24, but we need to check 24 is a perfect number or not. Okay? Anybody else? Okay, our next chapter is basic geometrical ideas. The chapter is related to the geometry. So for this chapter, all of you prepare and be ready with your geometry box in the next class. From next class, we will start this new chapter. Okay? You need to prepare with some instruments like pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, compass, etc. Alina, what is your doubt? Alina is there? Alina is there? Okay. So the time of this class is now going to over. We are going to end this class. Once again, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. You can now leave the class.
Bye, sir. Bye, 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 bye.